How to fix CS2 VAC was unable to verify your game season error? First step, repair the Steam service. Right click Steam, click Properties, copy the address in the target section, copy it, close it, open Run and paste the address here. After pasting, type the following text space/repair, type it and click OK. Steam will automatically open once repair. After opening, you need to close it, then move on with next step. Open Run and type the following text services.msc, click OK. Scroll down and search for Steam services. Click it, right click, click Properties. The startup type should be in automatic or manual, depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. One more time, right click and click Restart. Once the restore complete, after move on with next step, verify CS2 game files, open Steam, click Library, click Games, right click, click Properties, click Install Files, click Verify integrity of the game file and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will rectify it, so be patient. Once successfully validated, after you need to click General. Under Launch option, remove the commands, close the Steam and move on with next step. Open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having the enough memory space, means sometimes the error will occur. Minimum 15 to 20 GB free space is required. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click Allow an app of features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, scroll down. Search for CS2 and Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled, means you can enable it. If the application not having, means click Allow another app, click Browse, go to Steam. For easy method, you can right click, click Open File Location of the Steam, copy the address, come back, click Browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it and click Add in the bottom side. Once adding, after enable both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Then move on with next step. Click Settings, click Privacy and Security Settings, click Security Settings, click Protection History and make sure check whether anything related to Steam or CS2 was blocked. Then move on with next step. Search for command prompt, right click, click Run as administrator and type the following text sfc space/scan now and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. Once complete, after exit it, restart the device. Thank you.